Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, you can simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon on it. To enable the mode, tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, as you can see. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon to turn it off. You can also go to settings, so let's open the settings by opening the quick panel, tapping on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, and here we have Do Not Disturb mode option. Tap on it, and right here we have couple, or rather two things. We have all day and scheduled. If you tap on the all day option, you basically turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and it's gonna be enabled until you turn it off again. But you can also set up a schedule for it. Basically, you can tap on scheduled right here to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you can scroll down, and here we can set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode. Basically, when it turns on automatically and turns off automatically. First we have starting hour. Let's tap on start, and here we can set the hour on which it's gonna be turning on. You can swipe up and down like this. Select the hour you like, for example 10 p.m. Then tap next, and here we can select the minutes, for example 30, and tap OK. So my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning itself on 10:30 p.m. Then we can tap on end, and here we can set the hour on which it's gonna be turning itself off. And I'm gonna set it to, for example, 6 rather, then tap next, and 30. Like this. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning itself on at 10:30 p.m. and turning itself off at 6:30 a.m. Okay, and that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.